Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create content loggers on Ogads platform. I'm going to share with you step by step. You can watch this full tutorial to learn everything. But quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any kind of income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are a beginner, if you do not know about Ogads network, then you can watch my previous video. I have made lots of tutorials about Ogads network. You can create account on Ogads network and then you can click on tools button. Here you can see content loggers option. You can click here, it will then take you to this page. You can click on create a content logger button. You will then come to this page. You can see here preview. You can create content logger. You can type your logger name. Now if you want, you can type your notes. This is optional. You can select your load method. You can select this option. Now you can type your load delay. Here you can see unlock action option. You can select this option. Remove locker. When action will be done, then locker will be removed. Now you can click on advanced. Here you can see conversions required. You can choose your one conversion. Now you can type your payout threshold. When possible, show only offers with a payout above this number. You can select your access time. You can click here to check preview in desktop. You can click here to check preview in mobile. You can choose your mobile theme. Guys, you do not need to do anything in this section. At last, you can click on create logger button. Here you can see I have successfully created logger. Click on actions. Click on view details button. Here you can see a status. This logger is active. Here you can see logger code. You can enable ad block detection. You can enable JavaScript detection. Now you can copy and paste the following script inside the header tag on the page to be logged. Here you can see direct link. Guys, if you do not want to use script, then you can use direct link. You can insert this direct link on your website. When any person will visit on your website, then Ogads network will show CPA offers according to users. When that person will complete the required action, then that user will be able to see contents on your website and you will receive a conversion. So guys, this is how you can create content logger on Ogads platform. If you want to learn more about Ogads network, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.